again. So this is my second stamp haul, and this is from Auntie Dana. She has a Facebook group where you can order things, and I just, she was nice enough to drop it off. We met up yesterday in Mililani, where I live, and she was nice enough to drop it off, but I had a bout of vertigo, so I couldn't get to play or anything until now. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So first of all, I have the new Altenew inks in cubes. I like the cubes so I could get the biggest bang for my buck. So this is the newest, one of the newest. It is called Sweet Dreams. It has 4 blues, light to dark. Great from Altenew's layering stamps. Here's the second one. I hope the glare isn't too bad. And these are the greens, and it's called Green Meadows, and again, light to dark. Here's the last of the new ones. Looks like reds, and it's called Tea Party, and again, from the light to the dark. So that's the 3 sets. I ordered the long Tim Holtz blade. This still has the red handles, which I don't mind. And so that's the long blade, 9.5 inches. So that's that. I did order some Altenew, of course, which is my favorite, one of my favorite companies. So let's go ahead and bring this out. This is the Sakura Blossom die. And this is the Build a Flower Sakura Blossom. So they go hand in hand. So this is it. And this is what the layering is. So I'm excited for that. Cherry blossoms. And this is the Frosted Garden die and stamp. So again, this. And I ordered some Concord and 9th. This is the Thanks Roundabout stamp. I'm very excited to try the roundabouts. And this is the roundabout here, and I love these sayings. So this is the Dahlia Turnabout stamp set, plus the die. Oh, there's the die, so I can cut it out. Jennifer McGuire had a beautiful sample done with that. Here's the geometric or triangle turnabout stamp. And this is the Blooms fill-in dies and the stamp set. Excited about that also. And this is the Hello Lovely stamp kit. So I really want to play with all of these. Very excited. And since Dana went to Creativation, she got to order all these new Oxides. So let me open this up, and I'm so excited that I get these. I have all the older ones. Honestly, I haven't even used them. I like collecting them just in case, and when they just in case I have time to actually play with it. So this is the Mermaid Lagoon Carved Pumpkin, Tattered Rose, Blueprint Sketch, Evergreen Bow, Aged Mahogany, Hickory Smoke, Forest Moss, Shaded Lilac, Squeezed Lemonade, 2 more, Gathered Twigs, Bundled Sage, and I also ordered the mini Tim Holtz, so I'm excited for that one as well. And all the dies of the new release. So that's it for this. Thank you, Auntie Dana. I'm very excited to play with these goodies. Bye!